Join me as I dive headfirst into the Alkaline Diet Challenge for a whole month to see if it really holds the secret to perfect health. You've probably heard of the Alkaline Diet and how it's been all the rage in health circles lately. Celebrities and influencers swear by it, and it's touted as the secret to perfect health, weight loss, and even curing diseases. But what exactly is the Alkaline Diet, and does it really live up to the hype? There are two camps when it comes to the Alkaline Diet. On one hand, you have passionate advocates who claim it's changed their lives for the better. On the other hand, you have skeptics who dismiss it as a fad diet with no scientific basis. Some claim it's a myth, a scam, or even dangerous. So, who's right? Is the Alkaline Diet a revolution in healthy eating, or is it just a bunch of nonsense? The proponents of the Alkaline Diet say that it's all about maintaining a delicate balance of pH levels in the body. They claim that modern diets are too acidic, and that this acidity leads to chronic diseases like osteoporosis, diabetes, and even cancer. But is this really true? Can our diets really affect our body's pH levels, and if so, how? And what does an alkaline diet even entail? Do you have to give up your favorite foods and drinks, or is it more about making subtle changes to your daily habits? The science gets a bit complicated, but essentially, our bodies have a tightly regulated pH balance that's slightly alkaline. Our diets can affect this balance, and proponents of the alkaline diet say that a diet high in acidic foods like meat, dairy, and processed foods can disrupt this balance, leading to disease. But opponents argue that our bodies are perfectly capable of regulating their own pH levels, regardless of what we eat. So, who's right? One study published in the Journal of Environmental and Public Health found that an alkaline diet did indeed have a positive impact on bone health in older adults. The researchers suggested that an alkaline diet could be a useful adjunct therapy for osteoporosis. But other studies have found no link between dietary acidity and chronic diseases. So, what's going on? Is this science still out, or is the alkaline diet just a bunch of hype? Dr. Michelle Chaufroux-Cook, a leading expert in natural health, says that while the alkaline diet may not be the magic bullet some claim it to be, it can still be a useful tool in promoting overall health and well-being. She emphasizes the importance of focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, rather than getting bogged down in the details of pH levels and acidity. But what about the risks? Are there any downsides to adopting an alkaline diet? In conclusion, the alkaline diet is a complex and multifaceted topic that's still being debated by scientists and health experts. While some swear by its benefits, others dismiss it as a fad. As with anything, it's essential to separate the hype from the science and approach the topic with a critical and open-minded perspective. Remember, perfect health is a journey, not a destination. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the alkaline diet, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on healthy eating habits and wellness. Don't forget to check out my next video on the top 5 healthy snacks to fuel your body.